Time for a garden update. This is the vegetable patch. Cucumbers and beans and peas are coming up. Starting to climb onto the trellis already. I got a weed in this area. The weeds are driving me nuts. And the three sisters. Look how tall the corn is. And squash. And beans haven't been coming up. But the squash and corn are... Oh, here's a couple of beans right here. These are the plants I put in about a week or two ago. And the last of the vegetable gardens, the onions and leeks are starting to come up. Hung up a bird feeder. Planted petunias. Put in a lot of my garden figurines and whimsical stuff. Painted a frog. Put in some more flower beds. My little meditation froggy. It's a solar light. He lights up at night. And solar lights along the path here. They light up at night. More flowers. And slowly putting in some river rock in here to try to cut down on the weeds. Painted Mom's bumblebee. And put in the froggy statues from Rosemary. The beets and lettuce are still coming up. I replaced the beans with tomatoes. Hopefully they'll grow up fast enough to shade the lettuce soon. Painted some old teapots and watering pots. And more whimsical garden stuff. And that's the new umbrella and seat cushions. Tomato plants are doing great here. I painted a sundial that was all rusty and corroded up. And then this is my patio project. It's all finished for now. Hung up that. Made a little thing for Mom's bees. These butterfly screens make a big difference in the number of bugs that get through and keep the temperature down a little bit. Maddie Dog likes his new garden. He hangs out here a lot.